ballet combination at the bar. We're gonna be doing plie with Jacklyn Dougherty. So you're gonna do a demi-plie first and straighten. You're gonna do a demi-plie, tendu, and straighten at the same time. Bring it back in, demi, and straighten. Same thing with your inside leg that you just did. Demi, tendu, and straighten. Bring it back in, demi, straighten. You're gonna do a little combo forward. You're gonna come up, you're gonna tendu to second. You're gonna do grand plie first. Do, now 2 demis, straighten, demi, straighten. You're gonna take a nice big old tendu. You're gonna do your fondue into a lunge, a side lunge, carve in. You're gonna come on up. You're gonna close into 5th. You're gonna do 2 demis, demi, straight, coming forward. Roll it up and come right back. And then what you're gonna do is do a suit and suit for the other side. For more information, please visit jacklyndougherty.com. Much love.